Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to clear cookies in Google Chrome. Let's get started. In the upper right corner of the browser window, you'll see 3 dots. Click on those dots to open the Chrome menu. From the drop-down menu, navigate to More Tools. Then in the More Tools sub-menu, click on Clear Browsing Data. This will open a pop-up window where you can customize what you want to clear. In the pop-up window, you'll see various options to choose from. To clear cookies, select the box next to Cookies and Other Site Data. Next, you can choose the time range for which you want to clear the cookies. If you want to clear all cookies, select All Time from the drop-down list. Once you've made your selections, click on the Clear Data button to initiate the cookie clearing process. Chrome will then start clearing the cookies based on your chosen preferences. And that's it! You successfully cleared cookies in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe.